Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about time constant. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of the time constant of RL in here. That should be about L divided by R. So L, we just have 1 millihenry. So we will put about 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative number 3 over 1000, because 1 kilo represent into 1000. So we calculate about this one, and we have 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative number 6 second. We can write into 1 microsecond. This is the end. Thank you for watching.